Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So we have integral of 1 over x minus square root of x plus 2 dx. So in this kind of problem, we pick up a u value as this whatever in square root. So this is, I'm taking the whole square root, right? Square root of x plus 2, and then I have to, like, now I have taken care of this one right here. I have to do something about this x and dx. So to do that, what I can do, I can square this one. If I square both sides, I get u square is equal to x plus 2, and we have to find the x because that's what we are going to substitute right here. So x is going to be equal to u square minus 2. Then we have to do something about this dx. So if I find the derivative of this one, so dx is going to be equal to 2u du, right? 2u du. And then now I can create the new integral in terms of u. So let's put that one. So we have dx, that is 2u du. So 2u, I bring the du right here. 2u over, in the bottom we have x, instead of x, u square minus 2. U square minus 2, then we have minus square root of x plus 2. Instead of x, square root of x plus 2, I plug the u value. So this is going to be minus u. Now we can get rid of this bracket. So bracket and arrange them in the power order, right? So this is going to be 2u over u square and minus u minus 2, and we have a du right here. I can, since 2 is a constant, I can bring it to the front. So let's continue right here. So I bring the 2 to the front. We have left with u over u square minus u minus 2 du. And then what we have to do, we have to look the denominator and see whether we can factor this one. In this case, we can factor this one. So like, let's factor this one first. 2 integral of u, and if I factor this one out, this one comes out to be u minus 2 plus 1, because when we multiply negative 2, add them, we have to get minus 1, right? So this is u minus 2 u plus 1. Then what I can do, I can bring the partial fraction decomposition. So let's take this part alone, this whole part and alone, and do the partial fraction decomposition. So if I take this one, u minus 2 u plus 1, and let's do the partial fraction decomposition. So we are going to have the u minus 2 first. U minus 2, since this is a linear, we are going to have a on the top, and then we have u plus 1 right here, plus u plus 1, let's put b. So we have a, b, and then we try to get rid of this denominator, so we can multiply this whole thing both sides. So let's multiply the whole thing. So I use a different color. So we multiply u minus 2 u plus 1 right here, and this one by u minus 2 u plus 1. So here this both will cancel each other, and here we are going to, this is going to be cancelled, and we left with u plus 1, and the other one we are going to left with u minus 2. So let's write that one down. So we are going to have u is equal to a times, so this is going to be cancelled, and we will be left with u plus 1. So this is going to be a times u plus 1, and the other one is going to be b times u plus 1 will be cancelled, and u minus 2 is left. So u minus 2, and let's multiply everything. A u, or we can do another thing. What we can do, we can pick a number that can eliminate one of these. So for example, if I pick a negative one for u values, like, let's do this, let's use a different color. So u is equal to, if u is equal to negative 1, what's going to happen? This one will be eliminated, right? Minus 1 plus 1, 0. So a will be eliminated, we can calculate the b. So let's do that approach. Or you can use the coefficient equalization, like you can compare the coefficient. There are two different methods, so you can use whatever you want. but this method looks very easier because we can eliminate simply, right? So u is equal to minus 1, so we can eliminate this a completely and we will be left with minus 1 is equal to b times minus 1 minus 2. So we have minus 3 right here, minus 1, so therefore b is going to be equal to minus 1 over minus 3, that's going to be equal to 1 over 3. So we have the b value right now, and we can also do the same thing for the to find the a value. So to find the a value we have to eliminate the b. So if I pick up u is equal to 2, I can eliminate the b, right? If I pick u is equal to 2, what's going to happen is 2 is going to be equal to a times 2 plus 1, and this b will be 0 right here. So we can find the a. A is going to be equal to 2 by 3, and we have these two values right now. Now we can go back to the original function and plug all the values. So we have this function that is 2 integral of I brought this part and did the whole thing. We have a dg also right here. So I took this part and did this thing, right? So I'm going to put this one back right here. This is equal to this. So let's put it. A is equal to 2 by 3 over u minus 2. Then we had plus b is equal to 1 over 3 over u plus 1, right? U plus 1. Also we have a du right here. Du. So we have this one right here. Let's see what we can do. Now u minus 2. So in this case what I can do, I can separate this into two parts. So let's do this. So 2 multiplied by this 2, 4 by 3. So integral of 4 by 3 u minus 2 plus this 2 multiplied by this also du right here, and then integral of this 2 multiplied by this one, this is going to be 2 over 3 u plus 1 du, right? So this is what we end up with. Now this one is easy to integrate because this is going to be just 4 by 3 ln whatever the value in the bottom. So this is going to be ln u minus 2, and here we are going to have 2 by 3 ln u plus 1 plus constant, and now all we have to do is simply substitute the u value. So we pick u as x square root of x plus 2. So if I put this value right here, we are done. So this is going to be 4 over 3 ln square root of x plus 2 minus 2 and plus 2 by 3 ln square root of x plus 2 plus 1 plus constant, right? And that is the final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.